Right, it is 18th of March and the first day where the government relaxed the rule, and you can see here there are lots of people started camping along East Coast. We have not seen such sight for more than 2 years, so everybody taking the opportunity coincide with the school holiday, all right, before the school start next week again. And yeah, flock of family, all right, of all races out in East Coast Park, enjoying the day over here, camping out, as well as the barbecue pit. All right, you can see a family of 5 doing their barbecue. Alright, more people coming out. Big tent, small tent, you know, all out in forces. And again, the next barbecue pit being occupied. Alright, the smell of the barbecue is really overwhelming. Yeah.